For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet. We present you the National Weather Bulletin forecast for next 24 hours, commencing 20th morning. The northeast monsoon is taking a little break for the next few days. Even in the northern parts, the western disturbance also is clearing the region. So practically very minimal activity is expected in these 24 hours over the entire country as such. We have a look at the features responsible. The Arabian Sea system, which we mentioned earlier, well-marked low, has become a depression and then also moved west-northwest away from the coast, far deep into the Arabian Sea now, but then it's still strengthening. It has the potential to strengthen to deep depression, possibly maybe storm also. But then it will be moving and then moving away closer to those Oman coast or Somalia coast. No threat to the Indian coast as such, rather. On the contrary, this particular system is influencing the wind flow over Kerala, coastal Karnataka, driving the moist winds away and away from our region. Therefore, no weather activity expected over South Peninsula. Northeast monsoon is going to be very, very mild, isolated light rainfall could be there at some odd places, that to extreme southern parts. Otherwise, it's going to be lull for the next few days or so. Revival normally takes place with some easterly wave, some circulation, some low pressure, and that system is still far away. The far away acyclonic circulation, it's well marked, but it's over southeast Bay of Bengal and South Andaman Sea in the equatorial belt. It is shifting closer to the coast. Mind you, these systems, they move very slowly. Possibly they stagnate also sometime for 24 hours. And that is how it will take about almost 4 days. Not before 23rd night, it starts affecting coastal parts of Tamil Nadu. But mainly, I feel it should be on 25th onward. We start having this revival of northeast monsoon. Prior to that, some 24th scattered, some rain shower can be expected along the coastline of Tamil Nadu. The other features, western disturbance, as I said, is cleared the region. Next system possibly we can expect sometime around 22nd, 23rd, and that's what the fresh spell is expected over the hills. In the interim period, the temperatures are dropping now. Obviously, the temperatures have become single digit, many places, Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan, even Delhi is less than 10 degree this morning, and it's likely to continue, say, for the next about 3 to 4 days before the next system arrives, which I said around 22nd or so. Then a rise in the temperature, minimum temperature will be expected. Day temperatures here, absolutely clear skies, they are much below the normals, about 3 to 5 degrees below the normal at many places, just about low 20s also, 22, 23, at some place 21 degree in the plains, fairly cold, rather low as far as the season is concerned. There is an anticyclone, but it's a feeble one which is marked over Rajasthan area. Also another cyclone, anticyclone, which is there. Yesterday also it was there over parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh and adjoining region. This also not very strong. There is a dry cyclonic circulation over tri-junction of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Previously it was over parts of Rajasthan, and combination of these three features is causing some confluence of winds which will be causing some isolated but light rainfall activity. It could be parts of North Maharashtra, East MP region. It could extend and even cover some parts of Chhattisgarh and adjoining Jharkhand and West Bengal region. But it's going to be very light activity and isolated only. Northeast India also generally dry weather conditions, only limited weather activity over Arunachal Pradesh and possibly Upper Assam may have some light rainfall. Otherwise, broadly it will be nice and sunny and clear weather conditions are expected. We just watch out for some cold wave conditions because the temperatures are dropping. Not very severe cold wave, but then in the wake of these minimum temperatures dropping to about even 6 to 7 degrees at places over parts of Rajasthan, Haryana and even Punjab region. So this will be there for the next about 2 to 3 days. We watch out for some mild cold wave conditions covering some of the parts. Foggy mornings are likely because of winds are there, light winds. It should be misty, hazy morning with chill in the air in the morning hours expected over this area. This is the weather update from Skymet. Keep watching for further information. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.